Hi friends, this video shows how to update a system app. First let me go to settings, then go to apps, see all apps, go down, select show system apps. From this system apps, let me select one system app. Let me select this ambient mode. Please note the version of this ambient mode. Version it shows 3.3.0.1. Okay, so I am going to update this ambient mode system app. Let me go to home screen, go to apps, go down, select this search field, then let me select ambient mode, search. Okay, so here select this Google TV ambient mode. See, there is an update. Let me update, select update. Now I am updating this Google TV ambient mode system app. Please wait. Okay, done, updated. Let me go back to settings, go to apps, go to see all apps, go down, set show system apps. Let me select this ambient mode. See the version changed to 3.1. earlier it was 3.0. so this way we can update system app. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.